Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Kiran. Today I'm going to review a Korean brand product. This is a super clay mask by Innisfree. This comes in this little cute jar. The weight of this product is 50 gram. This is little heavy. Comes with the full filled jar. This mask is filled up to the top. This is a plastic bottle. The mask looks like this. Before applying this mask, you have to wash your face and tone it. I tone my face by using rose water. You have to use your fingertips to apply this mask. This is very smooth and easily applicable. The one thing in this mask is very good. It starts dries while applying. It doesn't take any time like other face masks. If you have no time to apply any face mask and pamper yourself, then you go through this. I highly recommend this mask for the people who have really tanned skin and clogged pores. While applying this mask, be careful. If this mask goes to your eye, rinse it very quickly as possible as you can. After application, waits. This time you can hear music, read books. See, it start dries and almost this mask pores are open, visible. As this is a super clay pore cleansing mask, it cleans my pores also. Minutes is going to complete, and after washing my face, I feel so refreshed and cool. As you see, a natural glow comes on my face. This is one of the highly recommended face masks. So once try. This is little expensive, but if you try this, you will surely become a fan of this mask. So guys, if you like my videos, don't forget to like my channel and subscribe my channel for more videos and reviews.